Dashcam TV. Thanks for checking out the channel. Truly appreciate your support. I actually had a suggestion that maybe I should change the name of the channel to Ride With Me, which I think is a pretty good idea considering this is really more of a ride-along vlog type channel as opposed to the other dashcam channels that are just car crashes and bad driving. Quite rainy today. Remember to always drive to road conditions. Slippery when wet. Yes, it is a lot easier to drive in rain than it is in snow. But still take the necessary precautions to drive accordingly. Yes, I do find driving in the rain in the daytime easier than driving in a snowstorm. However, once it gets dark out, I absolutely hate driving in pitch dark pouring rain. I would much rather drive in a snowstorm anytime. Let me know in the comments what you think about a different channel name. If you have any good ideas yourself, please feel free to let me know. Whistler is along for his truck ride. As you can see, he's loving his spot in the back seat. Isn't that right, buddy? So I'm actually making a left-hand turn on Wyman Road, heading north. of April is going to be this rainy and wet. It's going to cause some extremely high water levels in the lakes and rivers. And we're just getting close to coming into the small hamlet of Melrose. Would be Melrose here. I'm just going to try to turn enough that you can see the sports complex. Baseball diamonds and soccer fields. That's where they have the annual fair, which again I'm sure got canceled last year in 2020, and no one knows what is or isn't going to be happening in 2021. As you can see, a fair bit of farmland on both sides of the road. I'm 100% sure the farmers are happy about the rain. If you're enjoying going along for a truck ride, please make sure to hit that like button, comment below, click subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Here we are getting back to Shannonville Road, which is a lot less bumpy. So I think it's going to be a short video for today. Thank you so much for riding along. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you think about a name change to the channel. Could almost make it a contest or something. Till next time.